What's up, everyone? One of my viewers submitted a request in a comment asking for a couple of different videos, but one of the things she asked for was a video on how to solve a squeaky door hinge. Now, I've got 22 doors in my house. Unfortunately, none of them really squeak except for the front door. Historically, I've never done anything about it because I figured it's an early warning sign in case I'm going to be murdered in my sleep. But we got a Ring doorbell, and we've also got this jingly thing. So I think we'll be okay if I go ahead and oil this door. It's a very simple fix. You're just going to need a can of WD-40, paper towels. Now, you don't need this fancy can. This one actually has this really cool, like metal bendy thing like this. And I told my wife I needed this exact can. It actually says "bend me" on it, which is pretty funny. But I really like this, so I'm going to go ahead and play with that. But you could just get the regular old bottle WD-40, and all we're going to do is spray a little bit on the hinges. So to kind of give you some context on the amount of squeaking we're talking about, let's go ahead and listen to Sir Squeaks a Lot. It's not the loudest door, but we're going to go ahead and get rid of all of that squeaking. So it's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to put a paper towel here to catch the excess. We're just going to give it a quick spray. And we'll repeat on the other two hinges. Now that they're sprayed, you're just going to open and close the door a bunch of times, and it's going to work that lubricant into the pin. Actually, it's not even squeaking. It's not even squeaking at all now. And there you have it, easily fixed with a few sprays. Good luck.